This is a continuation on our ongoing construction update on the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway. On the last update, we covered kilometer 1 to kilometer 6, exploring the progress they've made on this project as of February 2025. That was a comprehensive update on that section. They've cast that section up to about 7 kilometers, which you saw on our last update. On this update, we're taking it further to kilometer 12, starting from kilometer 7 down to 12. This is a bridge under construction at kilometer 10.9, New Road precisely. Hello, I'm OZ. Please help me to achieve my goal for 2025. Your one subscription counts and 50,000 subscribers goal for 2025. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is a mega road infrastructure aimed to boost social and economic activities in Nigeria, traversing multiple states in Nigeria, spanning a length of 700 kilometers long. While work is currently going on at other states, in Lagos, they are working at multiple sections which make up the phase 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. To close up as work progress, we have the Eleko section, which is kilometer 46.7, working to close up with Eko-Akate, which is kilometer 29. This is Eko-Akate section of the project. Eko-Akate kilometer 29 is working to close up with the VI section, which is the kilometer 1. At kilometer 1, work is progressing to close up with the Eko-Akate section of the project. I hope you understand everything now. We are discussing kilometer 7 to 12, which is part of the kilometer 1 workforce. This is the kilometer 9 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. From here, we'll cover an area view in between 7, 8 and 9, then progress to 10, 11 and 12. This is kilometer 9 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. As you can see from the screen, work is like a sand filling stage. This is an area view covering the work progress from kilometer 7 down to kilometer 10. From the area view, we're able to capture from kilometer 7 down to kilometer 10. From a closer look, this is work progress here at kilometer 10 from kilometer 9 to 10. And this is around Jakonde area of Lagos. At kilometer 10.9, there's a bridge under construction. This place is called New Road or Alpha Beach. These tippers are coming from where there's sand filling ahead of us, which is about 12 kilometers of the project, which will cover in future updates. This is part of the workforce coming from VI heading towards Eko-Akate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The video of Eko-Akate section will be dropping soon. The bridge construction at New Road is still very much at the ground level and they're making progress. This is an area view from kilometer 11 down to kilometer 10, capturing the work progress on this part of the project. This is kilometer 11 and we are covering kilometer 11-12 on this part of the video. Remember, this is coming from kilometer 1 to cover up with other section coming from kilometer 29. After dropping the video of Eko-Akate section, next will be to see where Eko-Akate has gotten to and where the VI section has gotten to. That will be my next video. Please kindly recommend in the comment section details you feel I failed to capture. I'll be expecting feedback in the comment section. This will help me get better and tell a better story. Yeah, I'm open to constructive criticism and of course some accolade. Give it a try. This is where we'll stop this tour to be continued next time. If you're not seeing the kilometer 1 to 6, I recommend you click the one showing on your screen. That will take you straight to the video. This is February 2025 update on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway.